Hi guys, welcome to Fathom Soaps. My name's Sarah. I know that I usually am not in these videos, but I thought today I might do something a little different. We are making these really cute melt and pour soaps. They are Game of Thrones themed. I made these using temporary tattoos that I found on Etsy from a store called Smash Tat. I'll put the link below. And I've never ordered from them before, but I just thought they were really cute and that it would be kind of a fun idea to make little Game of Thrones soap before the season and series ends. And some of them came out pretty sweet looking, and some of them did not, like this one. For one of them, I forgot to take the plastic peel off the temporary tattoo. That would be this one. And I still just went ahead and made it into soap because I'm not giving these to anyone. I don't sell soap. I just wanted to see how it would turn out. And it turned out a little jacked up. So let's get to it. Alright, so these are the temporary tattoos that I got off of Etsy. You get one of each of the house emblems or sigils, and I just cut this little shield shape and made sure that the temporary tattoos were going to fit into that space. First, I made these shields that my temporary tattoos were going to sit on. For the Stark and Baratheon, I used a white shea butter soap base. For the Targaryen and Lannister shields, I used a clear soap base and then red mica to get that darker red color. If you use red and white, it usually just turns pink, so I opted for the clear. And this is where one of two tragedies happened. I forgot to take the plastic off of the temporary tattoo for this first one. And if I had the original audio in here, you could literally hear me cursing because I was so upset and it was so late at night. And this was the second disaster. When I unmolded the Lannister soap, I'm not sure why, because I followed the same steps for all 4 of them, but the base that I had put down at the bottom of the plastic mold just did not stick to the rest of the soap for some reason. So when I popped it out, that did not pop out attached. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make, and as always, please subscribe and like this video and leave a little comment below on what you'd like to see next time, because I'm always down to make more weird soap designs.